Mercedes keeps finding ways to make its AMG GT sports car even better. Debuting at the 2018 Los Angeles Auto Show, the AMG GTR Pro is the latest evolution of this beast. It's tame enough for the street, but it's really built for the track. The AMG GTR Pro is the latest evolution of the very extensive Mercedes-AMG GT sports car line. First we had the base GT, then the GTS, then the GTC, and then the GTR. The GTR Pro builds on the GTR to become the most extreme version of this sports car ever. It uses the same 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine as the other variants of the AMG GT, producing 577 horsepower. But the Pro version of the GTR gets upgraded aerodynamics, including more aggressive frontal elements like dive planes and air extractors on the top of the fenders, as well as a fully adjustable coil-over suspension with carbon fiber components. The Pro is really for hardcore track nerds, but that's exactly who this car should be targeting. Even the base AMG GT handles quite well, and so we're very excited about the upgrades made to the suspension and the aerodynamics. We think it'll make this car even better. The GTR Pro leads a number of updates to the entire Mercedes-AMG GT lineup for 2019, including subtly revised exterior styling, so subtle in fact that you pretty much have to park the 2019 car next to the 2018 to know the difference, and changes to the interior. The old analog instrument cluster is gone, replaced by a 12.3-inch digital display, and the driver gets a 10.2-inch display for the infotainment system as well. After making its public debut at the 2018 Los Angeles Auto Show, the updated AMG GT range, including the GTR Pro, will hit US showrooms in calendar year 20. We don't have pricing information yet, unfortunately, but we expect the GTR Pro top the range in terms of pricing, somewhere close to $200,000. The changes Mercedes made to create the AMG GTR Pro are subtle, but they should make a big impact on the track, which is where this car was built to run.